Welcome back to the quest for more bear bait. Check it out. So I've come up with a bear bait scheme that looks like it's going to cost about 26 or 27 cents a pound. The best I could see from the bear bait supply places about 36 cents a pound. But there's not a whole lot of work involved in it, really. I can I'll post separate videos showing what I did to make this stuff, but it's kind of like a rice pudding, or I'll make some corn pudding, but it's just grain and milk, some milk and water, and some flavoring like molasses or whatever you prefer. But every 10 pounds of grain yields about 30 to 35 pounds of bait. So the reason rather than just, I can't just go with grain. It's unlimited, or it's not legal where it can attract deer and elk. But if it's cooked or commercially processed, or certain things are legal in unlimited quantities, but cooked bait is legal. And so this is what I come up with. I have a clip here on the end. You kind of weigh it, and I kind of talk about it a little bit and show how it turned out. So if there's any interest, I'll post the other videos. You can look at them. So I got this rice pudding, cooked rice pudding substance. It's looking between 30 and 35 pounds. And it's pretty stiff. It's I don't know, almost rubber, almost rubbery, almost like kind of dry Play-Doh. But so what I had figured before, turned out I had 10 pounds of rice, but then I had 3.1 gallons of water, or liquid. So 1 gallon of milk and over 2 gallons of water. And so it wasn't quite enough liquid to make it like a pudding, but this is probably better for purposes. But it's 20 pounds, so the total bag, like a 20-pound bag of rice. And I would use, if I had access, if you had access to bad milk, dated milk, and then you could have that in rice and turn it into a legal substance to bait with. It's a little bit of work. You assemble it in a pot and you heat it up and let it cool down and store it. But the yield from 20-pound bag of rice, somehow 2 gallons of milk, we turn in the rest water and some kind of flavoring like molasses, and that's what this one is. We got about 70 pounds of bait. I don't know. FYI. Thanks for stopping by.